South African ex-president Jacob Zuma has declined a court directive, one that asked him to suggest how he should be punished if found guilty of defying an order to testify in a corruption hearing. Zuma is accused of enabling runaway graft during his tenure in office. He ignored a constitutional court order to testify before a commission investigating the graft allegations. Last week, the top court directed him to suggest an appropriate sentence. This after the panel sought a 2-year jail term for contempt. But a defiant Zuma chose to send a scathing 21-page letter to the Chief Justice, one where he slammed the judiciary. Zuma says that he had thought long and hard about the directive. The leader even decided against filing an affidavit. The former president accused the court of bias, treating him unfairly and failing to follow correct procedures. Zuma has repeatedly snubbed the commission investigating state looting during his 9-year rule. He testified only once in July 2019 before staging a walkout days later. The former president has previously declared that he does not fear incarceration, saying that he was ready for the court's decision. The former president came to power in 2009. He was forced to resign in 2018 over graft scandals. For more on this, WION correspondent Calden Ongmo sends us this report.
South Africa's former president Jacob Zuma has once again dared the Constitutional Court to send him to jail. Chief Justice Mokoeng had given Zuma until Wednesday to file an affidavit detailing what sanction should he face for ignoring the court's directive to appear before State Capture Commission. The former president instead wrote a strong-worded letter to the Chief Justice saying he cannot assist the court in violating his constitutional rights. He slammed the apex court for what he calls the abuse of judicial authority and engaging in politics. Zuma reiterates he was not guilty of any crime. This is Calden Ongmo from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.